Nitin from Mysuru, and I'm going to share my experience of Kaveri Bordevara temple. It is near Mysuru, approximately 20 kilometers. Once what happened is our relatives had come to Mysore, and I thought of taking them around, and we selected Balmuri Falls, which is a check dam and approximately 20 kilometers from Mysore. And when we went there was absolutely no water at all, and there was a huge crowd. And from there, approximately 6 to 7 kilometers is Brindavan Gardens, KRS Dam, but that too will be too crowded. So I thought, do we have a check dam nearby? Then I found this Kaveri Bordevara temple, which is an ancient temple, and when we went there, I was just delighted. There is a bird sanctuary, there is a check dam, and there is a coracle, the Tepa, the wide, round dam, boat in which we can play, and the greenery is awesome there. And I was delighted because there was no crowd. It was a calm place, and we, the family, we played a lot there. And next is that there are a lot of other nearby places. For example, Karighatta, also called as Elephant Temple. There is a very ancient temple on this hill. There is a lot dedicated to Lord Krishna. There is a Vishnu Pada also, and from this temple you can even trek further on the hill. So that Karighatta again itself is a place to visit, and you can reach this hill either by your vehicle or by even steps downhill. You can take the steps. And other nearby places is Gosai Ghat. It's a very beautiful place to visit. There is an ancient temple again there, and there is a Sangam nearby of two rivers, Kaveri and Lokapamani. And then there is a Sangam of the river Kaveri itself. Please note, Srirangapatna is Adiranga, the first island on the river Kaveri. And there is a Nimishamba temple, which is most visited temple by in and around towns and districts. So these are the nearby places also which you can visit when you reach this Kaveri Bordevara temple. And next is that the season then when you have to reach here is either the rainy season or the winter season. You must avoid the summer season for two reasons: because it will be too hot and there won't be too much of water. So you will see a lot of stones around in the river. And but if you visit in the rainy season, be careful. When the dam is open, there will be too much of water, and that will be risky for you to get into the waters. And there are three ways you can reach to this temple from Mysore. One is the Madhevpura road, where you'll get a very beautiful bridge also on the river Kaveri, and you can also do shopping in the local market there. You can buy vegetables and fish, crab, etc. And nearby you also have Baburayan Koplu, where it is very famous for non-veg food. We call it as military hotels here in South Karnataka. And next is the way you can reach here is to take the Mysore-Bangalore highway, reach Baburayan Koplu. After that, the bridge of Lokapamani you have to take right. Or the third route is to take the Bannur road, that is the Mysore-Madavalli road. And before Bannur, you have to take left and reach this temple. But that is quite a long distance. And I have shared itinerary for your reference, which is customizable. If you want a customized itinerary for this particular place or any other, please do reach me. And I invite you to join my group, Facebook group, Mysore Travel Bond. I also have my YouTube and Instagram handles, Mysore Travel Bond. So please do join and support us. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you consider that there was a lot of good information shared. Please do share this video with others. Thanks a lot. Namaste. There is Ganesha idol. Incredible place. Very beautiful views nearby. My son playing there in water. Jai Kaveri Mate.